So I got the carpet out. We have, oh, I took the step out. This is fiberglass under here. Fiberglass covered. Laminated with fiberglass, whatever. The middle one is regular plywood. Don't know the extent of the water damage. But then this is, again, the fiberglass covered, coated, boat grade stuff. Back of the doghouse is pretty dry for what it was. I don't think it's rusted through all the way anywhere. And we're checking out the bore right now. Getting the magic oil in. Here we are. Again. Moving fast until we're moving slow or not at all. Yard sale.